Hey, what's up guys? So I got this low profile keycaps called the Crystal Edge and I really wanted to try it with my current keyboard, the Tom 980. I'm not sure if I'm going to like it, but I'll let you know in the process. We'll tell you everything you need to know coming up. Hey, what's up guys? This is Mac and we do a lot of tech related videos like this one. If this is your first time, consider subscribing. With that said, let's begin. So first, let's check out some physical overview. So this is a chiclet keycap, sort of, because it's a bit thicker than the usual chiclet keys. The materials are unknown since it was not indicated in the store where I got it from, but this is more like a glossy plastic from the outside and a white plastic inside. If you know what are the materials, please let us know in the comment section below. This feels heavy duty though, so no complaints to that, but I will not choose the black version since this glossy plastic will definitely make fingerprints visible. This is one of those backlit keycaps, so if your keyboard has RGB, this will be a nice option. I guess that's all that there is. Now let's remove these XDA keycaps. It's been some time now since I built this keyboard and yep, those dust are just nasty. Let me just take this outside and clean it up. Let's have a last look so that we could compare it later on. Really, look at that. So clean, so white, but I hope the prelude of these key switches will not be affected by the dust. By the way, if you want to see the full details of this keyboard and the key switches that I use, then check out the video at the top right side corner of your screen. Anyway, for now, let me just keep these XDA keycaps real quick before we begin. Now I guess we are ready to place the low profile keycaps, so let the time lapse begin. Yeah, my bad. I didn't realize that the shift keycap is not compatible with my keyboard. So I guess we're just going to compromise and we'll just be using something else. But for now, let's just continue placing everything else that fits. And we are done. Doesn't look bad from the top. a little awkward from the side since the height of the key switches. Perhaps I should buy a low profile key switches as well. What do you think? I kinda look how it looks, but I'm a bit disappointed at some point. Not about the keycaps itself, but about my mistakes. First, I didn't look deep enough and realized that this set is for a full keyboard layout. Therefore, the keycaps for my 98% keyboard is not available. When I bought the XDA keycaps, it has all the versions, the full layout for the 98%, for the 87%, and also for the TKL, etc. So I was assuming it will be the same for the low profile version, but yeah, that's a great mistake there. Another mistake that I made is that I forgot to look into is the lighting position of the keyboard. It is a south-facing switches, therefore the backlit is at the bottom, making the see-through letters insignificant. Anyway, I guess we can't do anything about that, and it's just a lesson learned at my end, and hopefully you don't make the same mistake that I did. I'm not quite happy at the end result, but I think I'll keep this out for a month before placing back my XDA keycaps. Another thing I need to mention is that I think there is a big sound difference in comparison with the XDA keycaps and the low profile keycaps. Not so sure, but I'll let you hear the sound test of both and let me know what you think. So how was it? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. So guys, if you want either the Crystal Edge low profile keycaps or the XDA keycaps I use for this keyboard, you can check out the link in the description below for more info. And of course, building this keyboard is an awesome experience, so I suggest watch the build process of it in your screen. Go click it, don't be shy.